back to my vlog, y'all. This is America. This is not America, but it is the massive droner 3-inch made by Catalyst Machine Works, who make the America frame. Let's take a closer look at it. Alright, this is a 129 millimeter 3-inch quad, and the frame itself only weighs 28 grams with all the hardware, which is pretty amazing for the size. Now this one, the way I built it, came out to 148 grams, but I got some heavy stuff on it. I got the full-size Tramp VTX in the top. I didn't use the it came with two 3D printed standoffs. One right here that has forever tubes for your receiver antenna. But I used a little non-diversity Lemon RX that I had, and the antennas are short, so it's down here in the stack, so I didn't need that. I'll probably use that later when I upgrade the VTX. Oh, the light's terrible here. I'll try to change that. It's a little better. It's got the hglrc 428 stack in it, which is got a 28 amp BL Heli S41 ESC with a F4 flight controller. And then I jammed the runcam mini split on the top, and I couldn't fit a VTX in the stack because the top plate is too close. I think you got about 25 millimeters between the base plate and the top plate here. So I just put the VTX on the top with some double-sided foam tape, and I got a little zip tie holding it in there, and it worked pretty good. It's a cool looking little frame. I saw this because I was looking for a 3-inch America, and which they do make, but this looked like it would work a lot better for what I was trying to do, which was run a runcam mini split in it. Not that you can't run it in America. Pretty sure that people have done that. But this just has a lot more room for everything. There's a lot more options. I got a 1000 UF 20, I think it's a 35 volt capacitor. It's just taped to the front brace. But you could put it in the back here. You could put it right in the behind, sitting straight up. And you could put capacitors anywhere on this frame. And I got the Catalyst Machine Works 1407 motors on it, which are 3600 kV, and I'm running the HQ 3x3x3 props, which give me the smoothest flight. They're not the most powerful on these motors. The Gym Fan 3052s have a lot more thrust, but these work really well without killing the battery. I love the overall design of it. It looks cool. Look at it. It's cool. And the only negative that I had was the camera mount options, which, as you can see, here's the little slotted hole for the camera mount. I have my camera, I drilled another hole and put the camera up a little higher, so it's just above the prop line, but you're still going to see some props in the view. And if they came out with a new some new side plates so you can move the camera up a little bit higher and have it, more protected, I might actually buy those to upgrade it so I can move it up a little bit higher, because I want my props, if I get props in the HD, I want them at the bottom. I mean, if all possible, all the way at the bottom. And I'm running a what is that, Tattoo 650 4S battery on it, which works pretty good. The all-up weight was what, around 208, I think, 208 grams, which ain't bad. I mean, it feels like you're flying a 5-inch. It came with a full-size battery strap, which it just seemed too big, even to fit between the standoffs. It was huge, so I put my little Astro X. I had an Astro X strap that was much narrower that I put in there. But other than the camera mounting, which would work fine for any other camera, but not the split. so great on the Sprint. Other than that, the design it's a great design. Crashed it several times. Nothing's broken yet. It seems really stiff and durable. The Catalyst Machine Works Massive Droner 3-inch. Awesome little 3-inch. Love it. Oh, almost forgot. I used some little black, I think they're silicone or rubber O-rings. I used them on the inside to keep the camera from touching the carbon fiber, and on the outside of the screws to semi-soft mount it. But it's still really stiff because I got it really tight, because you want that runcam split tight, otherwise you're going to get shaky. Any little shakes are going to show up in your HD video. Got to have it tight. I'll put a link to those O-rings if I can find them. I think I got 100 off of Banggood for like $2 free shipping. I don't know. They're cheap. Yeah, that's it. Cool looking little frame. Very cool. I'll probably put a different VTX in it because I just don't like this antenna VTX setup. But the other VTX I ordered has some issues with it, and I've got it working now. I might try to shove it in here. We'll see. That's it. Check out the flight footage. Cool little frame. America. Not the America. America.